Welcome back, graduates. Now today I'm going to show you something that is not a need, but it adds really cool functionality, store and branding. Now this doesn't work on iOS mobile, but it does work on desktop. So as you can see, this isn't my branded colors screen, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. Notice how the scroll, pretty cool, right? And it just adds a little touch. So if your theme is green or brown or pink, you want to go and you want to have that all seamlessly branded. Now for this would be black, so you could leave it as black. But today I'm going to show you how to edit and style and colorize your scroll bar. So let's get right into it.
3, 2, 1. Here we go!
So as always, you're going to be given the README file. These will be changed out to how this video actually, but it just gives you, a description and then the installation guide as always. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your theme editor. So go into the theme right over here. So this is the back end of my dashboard, and so yes, we do have the latest version of Dawn, and we are filling that with new snippets coming, so stay tuned. So notice how this is just a plain scroll bar. It's just boring and not really brand. Go and edit on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into edit code, and once I'm in my edit code, the theme, this one, I'm going to go back to my README file, and the first step is I'm going to add this style and paste right into the theme liquid and right above first head. It doesn't normally matter where exactly, but as long as it's right after first head. I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to go into theme.liquid, and I'm going to look at head. So I see that, and I'm going to just add this right around actually I'm going to add it right here, and I'm just going to save it. The next thing I'm going to do is go back to my README file, and then I'm going to go into my config file, and under that I'm going to go into my section settings schema. So what this allows you to do, what we're giving you are the, I'm going to go into my config file, and I'm going to go into settings schema. I'm going to go into big right over here, schema. Now you should get a little familiarized with it. I know that we've shown you back and forth some edits to make on, and then add the section only after another bracket is closed. So just watch this very carefully, or it will work or not, right? So I'm just going to take this closing and ending bracket and copy and paste. Now what I want to do is notice how in my settings schema I have brackets, and you'll see it has a closing and ending and an indicator, so it knows that this is one solid section, this is one. So this whole thing is a setting. So after that setting, I'm going to go after the comma, and I'm just going to paste it right into here, and I'm going to leave it the way it is, and I'm going to click save. So right over here, it gave me the indication that it was not exactly, so yes, right before the head, but sometimes right below as well. So what I did was I added it right after the first head, but right below the ending head in the theme editor. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my theme editor, and right over here where it says theme settings, this is where it's going to be. So right over here, scroll bars. The reason why it's under the second one is because in your theme, in your settings at schema, I had put scroll bars right after the color setting, which would be. Let's go back into here, and I'm going to do a scroll bar. And right now you'll see scroll bar. We give you settings, so you can have width adjusted, scroll bar track, background. So let's see. I'm going to do that, and then scroll bar thumb, I'll do yellow. I'm just doing color so you kind of identify. What? So that's the scroll bar itself. This is the background color. And this is when you, I believe, so the hover state is bottom, the green is the actual bar, and the pink the background color, BG background. And there you go. So it's super easy, super simple. Just copy paste here. Just wanted to give you, little branded tweaks here and there. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. It does help with the YouTube algorithm, so we can release more videos and helpful videos to make your store look premium.